How's it going? My name is Andrew Taddoni, and I'm here with Leviton Manufacturing. We are an EV charging company, make a lot of level 2 EV chargers, and then a whole lot more on top of that. What I'm starting with is our residential solution. This is our 40 amp plug-in charger. It interacts with our 50 amp self-manufactured EV receptacle. So this receptacle was designed for EV charging, built for it, very robust design, not like a lot of others that are out there. And then when you talk about the charger itself, this charger ties into our My Leviton app, which is our smart ecosystem for the home. So you can see behind me, we have the chargers, of course, plug in, and then also hardwire that tie into the app. We also have a whole lot of other products, smart products, whether it's lighting controls, whether it's Leviton Load Center, which is our smart panels, that also tie into that same great app, allowing you to control the entire home, not just the charger, although we want you to control the charger as well. We also have a full line of level 2 commercial, light commercial chargers, which is what you see here to my right. Single port and dual port, 48 amp and 80 amp. The single port itself, again, tying into every MDU type situation that's out there, commercial properties, whether it's hospitality, healthcare, we're big in all those spaces, but also just commercial buildings. Anyone that wants to bill, collect revenue, this is where you'll live. Anyone wants the ability to just read energy analytics and understand what's going on, who's charging, when they're charging, this is the offering for you. I had Raiven leadership reach out. I heard the name, I respected the name. You were gaining a lot of contractors' attention, and Leviton does a really good job cultivating contractor relationships and distributor relationships, and it was a partnership that, being big on the EV charging side, Leviton wanted to be a partner with. I think that Raiven has improved our relationship with contractors because they're dialed in on a really nice niche right now, being that EV charging market. They know how to sell it. They found the right contractors that are interested to sell it, and we have the product to support it. It's a really powerful relationship all in for a contractor to find what they need, and a good marketplace to do that, which is Raiven. Raiven's made it easier to get a hold of our products, our services, just by having one location where everyone can go. I think the marketplace is easy to navigate, but I think the important thing is ease of use, ease of ability, and adding to that marketplace over time. Raiven's done a really nice job with that. So as far as how Raiven compares to other procurement solutions, easy to work with. I think for us, being a supplier, a part of the overall Raiven ecosystem, it's ease of use and the people that you can interact with. So I know everyone on the Raiven team. I could easily get a hold of them. They're responsive, and they're willing to work with us on creative solutions to get to the contractor and provide solutions. That's a really nice add-on for somebody that's looking for a good partner to sell commercial chargers to. The exciting thing with our partnership in the future is what's next. I mean, we really just started this, really got in with Raiven late last year, so we're still newer. Leviton has been around for 118 plus years, so the name is really, really strong. You guys have a very strong relationship with the contractors and a great place for them to go. So I think the more we talk, the more we interact, the more Leviton comes out with better solutions for the contractor, and you guys find great ways to touch that contractor and sell. It's a really great win-win for everyone, especially the contractors.